Hello, hello, hello. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. I came in like a wrecking ball. Yep, it worked. I'm planning. I'm planning right away. Watch my tap, my short, please. Watch. Look at the damage I'm doing. Look at that damage. I'm going. Where is he?
Not short less.
Look at the damage, bro. The pure damage made by Mr. Moe. And he had a 5.7. Hell yeah. Look at this photograph.
Oh, how old are you?
One's there. Barrel. All there.
Two more pit.
I digged him.
Good shit.
Look at this douche-graph.
Do
I'll
it.
do it. I'll fake it. Everyone throw decoys towards me.
Decoy.
I'm bad, baby. Go. Fuck, you guys are nowhere near where I thought you'd be. No, none of you did it right. Look at this photograph. Did I sell the fake or did I sell the fake, boys? We're fucked. Jump up, one. Running away. Saving. Rush him, Desi.
Yeah, I actually was able to play bank because of the lag. Cut him off next. Sorry for the dink.
Come on him, coach.
Oh, he's in pit.
In pit, big pit, you got this. Remember to look at this photograph. Nice! Okay, dude. Someone call face it. This is ridiculous. Oh wait, this is ESCA. Fuck. Look at this photograph. Gonna make me laugh. Joey's bed. I don't know the words. Oh shit.
Close. I'm blind.
Get close. Get him, guys. Spray your guns, you noobs.
There's like 3 people.
They're running the shit into the ground.
The issue?
He's right there. I don't give a fuck anymore, dog. Instead of lagged out anyway.
In bathroom. Left side, Mo. Flashing him.
Should I op? Alright, I'm gonna op. Fuck it. Let's go. Turn bomb.
One more.
One shot. One jump up.
Both there.
Oh, it lagged out. He's in. One's in.
Ah, lag. Truck.
What? No! I hit him 7 health! 93! What the fuck can I do? Go B. Fuck it. Go B, everyone. Desi's already running out. Nice, baby. Ice, baby.
Cover me, team.
I think it's graffiti.
Nobody will get the win.
Oh, I'm here.
One connection.
2 more. 2 more in A. 2 more B. Go A. 2 more B. Go A. Bring the bomb. Fuck my life. Our team sucks. Our team fucking sucks. I came out there, did everything like a wrecking ball.
One tap. I can't do a thing when I get one.
Why'd you just run out after my death? Oh my god. You flashed Conti. Nice flash.
Thank you.
Nice. It worked. It got him. Sick flash, bro. According to my calculation, that was a really sick flash.
You can kill me.
What? Come on, boys. What's happening? Oh no. This was bad. It's alright.
Come on.
You know what's crazy? The inaccuracy is making me more accurate because I usually miss those.
Nah,
That was you. Where's a gun? I need a gun. Bait me, Connie.
Guns here.
God damn it, he's trucked already. Fucking A. What is? Oh my god. What the fuck are you guys doing back there, man?
we can only flank.
Flanking long, I think.
Oh no. Fuck. Unlucky timing. Plan for you, Temp. Oh no. What?
I just died to that.
Nice. One more was around here. Sight. No, or by right there, right close.
One pet, I'm blind.
Oh, the baiting
this guy
fuck.
always
Baiting
last?
fuck right here. Baiting fuck. Get him next, baiting fuck. Why do you have a picture of yourself at a tournament like we're supposed to know who you are? Fuck you, bro!
Bro!
God damn, sorry man, I got crazy there, my bad.
I don't know what's going on anymore.
I shouldn't bait from distance. Yep, got him, let's go. Fuck this guy. Get it! Get it! And couldn't believe it. I fucking suck. He's there.
It's just one. Bomb B.
Don't be. Others all over to you.
Last one B.
They doing?
Go, Mo, go. I'm with you. Go,
He's
go, go.
inside with bomb.
YOLO, YOLO, full YOLO, full YOLO. Go, 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 go. You
Fuck yeah, baby! I came in like a what?
Hey, whoa.
What the hell? You did a weak lead.
2 upper B. Oh, I'm about to die.
Upper B or where?
No, over here with
Upper
me.
B.
Push
I'm coming.
temperature, go. Oh god,
All
they
the way
got
in the
him.
back.
One more, maybe? Could he be? Come on.
I'm just looking playground. You can't go to my right. You can't.
That's my red, bro.
Hog down,
I was doing the. I want to tell you something. I wasn't watching shit. I want to be honest with you. Alright. Hold on. Did they buff this gun? Cause your boy getting some kills.
Leaving.
No.
It's in his dome!
What the fuck? Did anyone just see that? I just saw water. I just saw watermarks on them. You saw that? What the fuck is going on? It happened to you too?
Okay. Watch out.
Bro, this game is broke. They actually broke it. Nice shot. I'm gonna do that
I'm
down.
up there.
I got you, I got you. One
Bomb
out.
out, one after.
Lit.
Nice!
Reloading.
My boy. Conti, Boombaye, Conti, Boombaye. Oh fuck, you're insane, bro. Good job, man.
I got him. You here?
God damn it, there are so many of them. I'm so bad. No.
I can't grandpa spray. I keep forgetting.
Des, I should have one more. When you said all of them here, Desi, it was one guy.
Dude, it sounded like a fucking
Sandbags. Pushing dead.
One run. Yes! I can't Oh, there. Oh, stay there. Come back. Oh no. Why'd you move? One's. He went in there.
Sure, dead.
Lag! Short. He doesn't know you're there.
He's out.
Just chill, Desi.
Bridge maybe.
He doesn't know you're to the left.
I'm gonna go around lower.
Fuck, now he might. Fuck, Temp should have peeked.
Throw fucking nade at me.
He didn't know, no. He doesn't know you're there.
He's down monster.
And
Boom.
Boost, bro. Boost. What the fuck? Next! You dumb bitch!
Sandbag. They're out short already, I'm blind. One close.
More! Fuck, man! Bro, what kind of boost is that shit? Why do I have to jump? I'm so mad at Nexus bitch ass. Dude, it's like you can't
I thought
hear.
you meant sandbags. No, I thought you meant this one right here.
Are you kidding me?
Right too.
Why would I say the sandbags? No one's ever used that.
What?
No one's ever called that sandbags for the beginning boost. No one's ever done that.
Connie, flashing short. Go get him.
Oh, my head. Oh, my god. Nice. One more unknown. Thank you. Good game. I had a heart attack. My blood pressure.
Fuck.
I can't even see. I'm blind. I'm actually going blind in one eye. Hello. Hey, baby.
Just
Wait,
run off one.
I'm peeking mid-stairs. Is that what you want me to do?
Yeah, but like, don't
Okay.
fight them. Just like, spot them. I got flashes for you guys. Flashing one.
They're here. I gotta run into con.
That's fine.
I gave them con. I gave them A.
Yeah.
One in con. The rest are upper. Maybe con. 3 con.
B's clear.
He's close.
Up A.
Nice. Oh my god. Flat spot.
Nice. Nice.
Good job, guys. What a fucking game.
Thank
Kinda love this team, Loki. Water. Fuck.
One's in sight.
Water, right? I just hear water as well. I'd one to the short water, is what I heard.
Surely not.
Yeah, he was to the short. I heard short. I gotta fucking start one it out.
Wide short. B.
I'm blind. I'm dead. Fuck me.
Coming up top.
Some long. They're short.
There. I'm gonna open it. Close. One close. Fight.
Monster. Tagged one. Close fight push. Okay. One deep.
Damn it, man. He's not bleeding, but he's dead.
Oh man.
He's bleeding.
Fine.
Laying down smoke.
I have a flash.
Short. Dead. I'm 2 health. I'm 2 health,
They're
boys.
coming in to B, sounds like.
Yeah, I'm on
You're
guard.
flashing.
Flashing monster again.
He's short. He's short. With the op. One monster, maybe. Yep, out monster.
Flash monster. Yeah, flash it.
Falling. I'm coming to you. Left
Monster, right? Never
Running
mind.
short.
Yep, monster. Shoot. There you go, big one. No, it was spectator glitch. I was trying to tell you just shoot. Oh shit, I didn't throw it this time. No, I can probably figure it out.
Flash, get out monster.
Only saw
Yeah, they threw smoke too. That's their smoke.
I'm blind. One more, maybe. That was monster. Only monster. Oh, one more. Door. Did it land right? No. Yeah, it did. What the hell? I'm nuts. No! 10 health! Water. 10 health water. Fuck, I didn't know he does with that passive. Pushing Josh.
Fuck.
Oh my god. Somehow Sneaky's dumb play worked.
I feel like they might rush monster this run. Flashing off monster.
What the fuck?
Oh.
Did you move? Oh fuck, man! Who moves?
One time. I didn't move, bro.
Alright.
In the smoke. Under one.
Oh my god. T-God.
Good job, guys, with the fucking shit guns. I love you. Boost me.
Watch your B.
Throwing fire.
It's one monster.
Say. One more short. One more short, I think.
Throwing smoke.
One's there. What? Got him. Oh my god, what a fucking game. What a game. Pompous, you pompous fuck. Oh shit. Fine.
Coming through.
Couple
Hopefully.
found.
Up. Door done.
Flashing a bug.
I'm dead. Josh, fuck. 2 more. Two there.
Lit 90. He's running down bathroom. Down.
Nice, did the ops behind you. I don't know I'm behind them.
Nice smoke. Pit, one pit. One short mid. One pit for sure. Pit.
Fuck me. Hit. Side. Fuck, I should have killed him. Coming.
Short.
One heaven.
Where?
Like, Gusha maybe.
What the fuck is going on?
That's the only way they can kill you if they flank you.
Too short, one pillar.
I'm smoking short.
One monster.
Just walk.
Monster already.
Kill him.
Monster.
I'm watching monster. Shit,
Nice smoke,
we're all
monster.
watching. Monster dead. One more left and short. Come on, boys.
Pillar. Barrel hiding.
They're all together. Come on. Nice. I can't believe this.
Good.
Guns up.
There's an AK down on the bench.
Dude, I knew it. The fucking smoke con.
One con. One more con. I'm insane, bro. That spray control's back, baby. Your boy's back, baby. They're just bamming that shit.
Big flashbang on me. Yeah, let me go.
Wait, they have water.
They're spamming the fuck out of this.
They have water.
Short. Dude, he peeked through the door from his short. God damn it, dude.
Stuck in bathroom still.
Somehow he got me. One went lawn. One went lawn side of bathrooms. Got him. And after dead, I got 2A.
Come B.
Smoked heaven.
One pistol.
So short graffiti, man. What was the reason for the B call when we were already up A? I don't understand this.
Hit so.
We don't understand. Guys, I just want to say something. We entered the 2 only A guys, and we're halfway up A, and the call was to go.
I called.
Who cares? Just hold, stay still. We take A, you come back, or don't even give away.
No, I called this down 3 times.
Yeah, it's okay, but just hold B then. Wait. Let us go flame through like we fucked them at A. They never rotated B because you guys challenged them too early. Sight dead. One more jump up. Maybe truck. Nice.
2B, last year.
Fucking hate this team. It's so stupid. Fucking nerd calls. So mad, dude. Thank God. Got A.
That was.
Bring bomb.
How come Molly
You're
tried?
going out long? Alright, go. I'm gonna just move. I'm gonna kill. Oh! Spawn! God, they're everywhere, man.
Big balls. I believe in balls.
Hopper.
Big passive A.
Post.
1, 2 dead B.
Nice.
I'm planning.
Last guy's fine, I think.
I'm planning. Oh, heaven.
I'm letting him out, by the way. I'm playing bomb. So you guys can too.
Don't play too safe, by the way.
Graffiti side. I'm letting him out.
I don't know what happened, but good job. Got one short. One more short.
Flashing graffiti off.
Pillar.
I'm planting the bomb.
Oh, he's short. He's looking at you. Knows you're there. You dig?
Yes!